Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am May. I am a mother of two. For today's video, mag-share ko sa inyo ng mga verses ng favorite ko kung saan I try to read in IC to it. Nababawas ako siya every time when I feel lonely, sad, or hopeless. The story is all about the book of Samuel, First Samuel, which is where Hannah, you know who's Hannah? Hannah is the mother of Samuel. Si Samuel ay isang prophet, naging judge. So, Hannah's story tells us so much lesson in our life. Yes. Imagine Hannah keep on praising God, keep her faith to God, keep her life to God. Nag-devotion siya, nag-prayer siya, morning until night. Pupunta siya doon sa temple.